It's heating up here in Sydney and tropical fruit is back in season, so it's the perfect time to make ourselves some summery fresh treats. Today I'm going to show you a really fresh and easy pina colada ice cream using the Vibe blender. This recipe is perfect for when you just want something really quick and easy. There's only a few key ingredients here that we just throw straight into the blender. It's done in a matter of seconds and it's ready to eat straight away. If you've got time, grab yourself a fresh pineapple, cut it up into chunks and freeze it overnight. You need about 2 cups for this recipe. Otherwise, frozen pineapple is really easy to find in most supermarkets. So let's get started. I'm going to put in half a cup of coconut cream. You could also use homemade coconut yogurt if you like. Now we'll go in with our 2 cups of frozen pineapple. And finally, just a little bit of fresh lime. So put the lid on and insert the tamp for this one. We can then set the blender to smoothie mode and we're just going to blend it until it's really thick and creamy. So this is looking really good now. All the chunks should be gone and it should be ready to eat straight away. You can hold this in the freezer for a couple of hours if you're having it a little bit later, but because of the water content, this is going to freeze really rock hard and just won't keep for days. So straight from the blender jug, this is perfect scooping consistency. Of course, if you're making this one for the adults, you could always add a little bit of white rum. So you could serve these up just as is. I'm going to dress mine up a little bit with some extra pineapple, some cut up roasted macadamia nuts, and a little bit of mint to garnish. So there we have it, a super fresh pina colada ice cream that we whipped up in a matter of seconds using our Vibe blender. Give this one a go at home and let us know how you go in the comment section below. As always, hit subscribe if you haven't already and press like if you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.